Hi, welcome back to Mama Nina Cooks. Every year at Thanksgiving after dinner, I take the turkey carcass and I put it in a huge stock pot, fill it with water and some fresh herbs of parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. I cover it and simmer it for about 2 hours. I then remove the skin and the bones and the meat and put it in a huge bowl to cool. I'm always looking for that wishbone though. I then add about 2 quarts of homemade turkey stock. I have a recipe for that and a video. I'm straining for black peppercorns here. If you don't have turkey stock though, it's fine. Just use chicken broth. I then add 3 cups of chopped carrots, 3 cups of chopped celery, and 3 cups of onion. I don't believe I have a video of the carrots being added, but they're in there. I also added about 6 cloves of chopped garlic and 16 ounces of rice. Any kind of rice will do here. I added about a teaspoon of ground sage and some salt and pepper. I covered this and cooked it for about 15 minutes once it came to a boil. Meanwhile, I removed the meat from the bones and threw away everything else but the good meat, and I chopped it and got it ready to go back into the soup. Sometimes I give this task to my guests. I then add 2 chopped russet potatoes to the soup and let it simmer for about another half hour until the potatoes are done, and you can tell if they squish up against the side and they're soft. I then add the turkey meat back in and about 4 tablespoons of chopped fresh flat leaf parsley. It's looking good. I check the soup periodically for salt and pepper seasoning. It needed a little something, so I added about 2 tablespoons of better than bouillon chicken. It did need a little more pepper and a little more salt. And my secret ingredient, which is dressing. It dissolves in the soup. It just adds some good flavor to it. I know you're going to love this soup. I hope you try it. Please comment, let me know if you liked it. I hope to earn your subscription. I like for my guests to go home from Thanksgiving with a quart of soup in their hands. And this year, it's already in my freezer, waiting for them. Thanks, guys. I'll see you next time. And I hope you have a happy Thanksgiving. Bye.